Welcome to 𝗟𝗿𝗀𝗲𝗃 Capital. We specialize in funding large-scale assets and infrastructure projects for corporations and governments with 100% equity and zero debt. Our capital is sourced from syndicates of global pension and superannuation funds, anchored by our Monaco fund sponsor. Our mandate covers the entire spectrum of physical assets, including data centers, ports, toll roads, hospitals, universities, energy infrastructure, manufacturing, and more. Our scope is virtually unlimited, provided the investment exceeds $100 million and is underpinned by an investment-grade counterparty. For every new investment, a dedicated special-purpose investment vehicle is created, which, for illustration here, we have called an MGPS. Each MGPS is different and project-specific, ring-fenced, and funded entirely by equity, utilizing zero leverage. Our Monaco fund sponsor provides the cornerstone capital, while the balance is syndicated to a global network of large pension and superannuation funds. The specific MGPS deploys 100% of the capital to fund the acquisition or construction of your asset, while simultaneously entering into a triple net lease with you for a term of 20 to 40 years. Throughout this period, you maintain full operational control. Your fixed lease coupon payments are established at inception, inclusive of a small annual inflation adjustment. Now, for new projects, our 100% funding can also include certain costs incurred prior to financing, such as land acquisitions, environmental permits, planning permits, preliminary works, and consulting fees. These pre-financing costs are built into the total project cost and reimbursed at first financial settlement. This ensures the project sponsor has no capital at risk, as at the time of first financial settlement. From that point forward, we can fund 100% of all EPC construction costs, provided they are under fixed-price, date-certain turnkey contracts with highly reputable contractors. Every contract must be backed by performance guarantees, completion bonds, and comprehensive insurance. All technical, construction, and operational risks must be fully mitigated, providing both development capital and long-term ownership stability. And for assets you already own, we can release the fair market value of an asset in cash via a sale and leaseback without a change in use or control, and with a clearly defined route to regaining full ownership. The asset continues operating, and to the public, employees, suppliers, and customers, nothing has changed. The cash unlocked can be used for debt reduction, share buybacks, fiscal priorities, or strategic growth. Throughout the lease term, the lessee sponsor gradually accrues up to 50% beneficial ownership, with the option to convert this to full legal ownership upon lease expiration or earlier based on pre-agreed terms. For certain projects or assets, we may also incorporate a profit-sharing mechanism. Once all lease payments and operating expenses are covered, net profit can be divided equally with the specific investment syndicate, MGPS. The payments made under the lease must be from an investment-grade lessee sponsor, and when that is not possible, a lease payment guarantee will be required from an investment-grade guarantor for the full term of the lease or until the lease is paid out. We must keep in mind that this capital is pension money, and as such, the certainty of payments must be watertight, because retirees are depending on that income. We realize that's a lot to cover in just a few minutes, and you're certain to have a lot of questions. To explore how our 100% equity model can support your next project or restructure your balance sheet, please visit us at 𝗟𝗿𝗀𝗃 Capital. We look forward to starting a conversation with you soon.